I'm Andrew Sines.
And I'm Regina Ford. Today's headline news is brought to you by Green Valley Cooling and Heating, providing Green Valley with top quality heating and air conditioning, value and comfort for more than 40 years. Located in Green Valley at 645 West Ward Lane or call 625-1234.
High gas prices aren't just costing consumers more at the pump. Schools, governments, and nonprofit groups are also feeling the pinch. The Sahuarita Unified School District expects to pay an additional $100,000 this school year for gas prices to fuel its buses because of rising prices. The town of Sahuarita is banking on paying an additional $50,000 next fiscal year, which starts July 1st. And nonprofit groups, especially those that rely on volunteers to drive people to doctor's appointments, expect the gas hikes to take a toll on their programs too.
This weekend's Tucson Book Festival at the University of Arizona is the place to be for book enthusiasts of all ages. It's grown every year since it began in 2009, and the outdoor venue at the U of A Mall, combined with Tucson's comfortable March weather, attracts authors and publishers from across the United States. About 400 booths will line the mall, and about 250 authors have signed on to attend. Read these stories right here on our website or in your copy of the Green Valley News.